Students, our topic is soil resources. Soil is a thin surface layer of the earth comprising mineral particles formed by breakdown of rocks, decayed organic material, living organisms, soil water and soil atmosphere. You can see here on the screen. Soil is most important natural resource. Most of the food item like wheat, rice and pulses, fruits and vegetables are grown in the soil. Soil also substance fruit forest which give us firewood, timber, rubber, fibers, and the several other valuable products. That is why all the ancient and advanced civilizations of the world were the developed are the reasons are the fertile soil. Soil resources are a form of environmental assets, providing a range of ecosystem services. Okay, is that clear? Factor of soil formation. There is 5 factors: natural and topography and the climate and flora and fauna and the time factors. Clear? soil Soil resource is very important our life. Nature and present rock from which are the soil is formed determine the basis characteristic, color, structure, chemical properties and minerals content. For example, rocks are sandstone, it will be contribute the sand grains. Okay, next is the soil profile. This is the soil profile. And soil profile means soil profile is a sample taken from a surface drawn through the soil. Each soil profile is divided into a series of layers called horizon. It's called horizon. First part is organic material, and second part is topsoil, third is subsoil, and last second part is weathered or the decomposed rock, and small last part of the soil is solid rocks. Clear everyone? And solid rocks means unweathered rock. It is also called bedrock, which lies below the parent rock. Okay, and the next topic our water resource. Water resource means our important part. Water is renewable natural resource. It supports all form of life vegetative and animal. Human beings cannot be without live. It is used for variety of purpose. In addition to its normal use of drinking and washing, water is used in industry, agriculture, transportation, generation of the electricity. Without it is can be no life. Stop forming. Water is unique liquid which has no alternative. Water is major body and its constituents and the several plants and animal species. Oceans are the responsible for the reducing of extremely of the temperature between summer and winter. Clear everyone? Next screen. Water resource are natural resource of water that is potential useful. Water is very important of our life. Most of water, 97% on the surface of the earth. It is in ocean and sea. This water is sailing and hence in unsuitable for the domestic and agriculture and industrial purposes. Another 2% water is contained in the ice cap and glaciers. This water is cannot be used directly. You know that 1% of fresh water which is found in our groundwater is also of surface water in river and lake. This water is suitable in human consumption. Only a teeny fact of the total water on the earth's surface on its atmosphere in any one time. Okay, is that clear? Next part is natural vegetation. Natural vegetation means our natural vegetative life. Natural vegetation means our biosphere. Life existing in a thin zone to the surface of earth. This zone is called biosphere. You know that. The organisms of the biosphere are broadly divided into plants, animal and microbes. As you know that there is exchange of matter and energy between physical environment and the organisms of this biosphere. In the biosphere, living beings are the interrelated to the interdepending on each other for survival. This life supporting system is known as our ecosystem. As you know that our previous class very well. Okay. Now, when natural vegetation means it refers to plants community which has grown naturally without human aids and has been left indestructible by the humans for a long time. Clear everyone? So natural vegetation, how is important? Plants provide us so many so many woods and so many shelter to the animals, produce oxygen we breathe, protection soil and the essential for growing crops. Natural vegetation is very important. Act as shelter belt, happens storage of the underground water, give us fruits, nuts, etc. and oil, gum, and the medical plants also the proper and packing materials. As you know that factor of effective plants, our physical environment comprising of land, water and soil, and climatic condition, influence of the plant and animal life living in a region. Clear everyone? Okay. Goodbye.